A running Mustang for $5,500? A Packard luxury classic? A Ford Ranchero? And 15 vintage cars, all under 10 grand? You won't believe what's on today's list. Welcome back. If you're hunting for classic cars for sale, you're in the right place. Today's lineup features affordable American classics, rare project cars, vintage cruisers, and iconic collector vehicles, all priced at $10,000 or less. You'll see everything from a 1969 Ford Mustang, a 1955 Packard Patrician, and a 1965 Ford Ranchero to a 1959 Chevrolet Impala, a 1966 Plymouth Fury III, and several hidden gems that could become your next restoration project. Let's jump right in and see which classic offers the best value. Car number 1, 1966 Plymouth Fury III. Let's kick things off with this 1966 Plymouth Fury III, listed in Castle Rock, Colorado for $6,000. Powered by a 318 V8, this classic has been upgraded with a 4-barrel carburetor, high-rise air intake, and dual exhaust. The seller says the engine was rebuilt less than 10,000 miles ago, and it also has new tires, a new fuel pump, and freshly polished paint. The interior still needs some attention, but with strong mechanicals, this Fury 3 looks like a solid driver and an affordable project. Car number 2, 1969 Ford Mustang. Next up is this 1969 Ford Mustang located in Plainview, Texas, with an asking price of $5,500. The seller describes it as a project vehicle and is open to trades or offers. Details are limited, but the 1969 Mustang remains one of the most recognizable first-generation Mustangs, making it an appealing restoration candidate. At this price, it could be an affordable way to get into classic Mustang ownership. Car number 3, 1965 Studebaker Cruiser. Here's a 1965 Studebaker Cruiser listed in Grand Junction, Colorado for $6,000. It features a fresh Chevrolet 283 V8, automatic transmission, new tires, new shocks, and the seller says it runs and drives great. Studebakers are becoming increasingly rare, and this updated cruiser offers classic styling with dependable V8 power. Car number 4, 1956 Ford Fairlane. Our fourth vehicle is this 1956 Ford Fairlane, located in Overgard, Arizona, for $6,580. Powered by a 292 V8 and automatic transmission, the seller says it runs and drives well while still wearing its original upholstery in good condition. If you're looking for an affordable mid-50s cruiser with plenty of vintage charm, this Fairlane is definitely worth considering. Car number 5, 1961 Mercury Monterey. We'll wrap up part 1 with this 1961 Mercury Monterey, listed in Henderson, Nevada for $10,000. This one-owner classic has been upgraded with a 460 big block V8, a new transmission, new fuel tank, new fuel pump, and a completely refreshed interior. With its full-size styling and powerful engine swap, this Monterey offers a unique combination of classic looks and modern muscle. Car number 6.
One fucking exhaust, half a fucking bird slipper trailer.
1959 Chevrolet Impala Bel Air. Our next classic is this 1959 Chevrolet Impala Bel Air, listed in Thornton, Colorado for $7,500. The seller describes it as a very clean and straight classic that simply needs some work before returning to the road. Details are limited, but the dramatic tail fins and unmistakable styling make the 1959 Chevrolet one of the most iconic American cars ever built. If you've been looking for a 1959 Chevy project, this one has plenty of potential. Car number 7, 1966 Volvo 122. Next up is this 1966 Volvo 122, located in Santa Fe, New Mexico, with an asking price of $8,500. The seller calls it a ruby beauty, saying it has been well cared for and still runs well. The interior has been refreshed, and it even retains its original seatbelts. As expected from a classic of this era, there's no power steering or power brakes, giving it a truly vintage driving experience. For someone who appreciates European classics, this Volvo offers timeless styling and simplicity.
Car number 8. (1963) Ford Ranchero. Here's a 1963 Ford Ranchero listed in Chandler, Arizona for $6,000. Power comes from a 289 V8 sourced from a 1965 Fairlane, backed by a C4 automatic transmission. The truck also features dual exhaust, Magnum 500 wheels, updated wiring, and several additional parts included with the sale. The seller says it runs, drives, and stops well, making it an affordable classic that's ready to be enjoyed. Car number 9.
Shelby Bellier 5.3.
Right there, line.
Front and drivers. Nice project.
Necesita abrirlo.
1953 Chevrolet Blazer EV listing.
Our 9th listing is advertised as a 1953 Chevrolet Blazer EV located in Las Vegas, Nevada for $5,500. However, this appears to be an incorrect or mismatched listing, since the Chevrolet Blazer EV is a modern vehicle and did not exist in 1953. According to the seller, the engine is in excellent condition, while the vehicle mainly needs cosmetic restoration. As always, buyers should verify the details carefully before making any purchase.
Car number 10.
(1965) Ford Mustang Coupe. We'll wrap up Part 2 with this 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in El Paso, Texas for $8,000. This Mustang is powered by a Ford 302 V8 paired with a rebuilt C4 automatic transmission. Recent work includes refreshed cylinder heads, new gaskets, and upgraded cooling system with electric fans and a new timing chain. The seller says the transmission shifts well, the lights are working, and the car is ready for its next owner to enjoy.
Car number 11, 1955 Packard Patrician. Let's begin our final group with this 1955 Packard Patrician, listed in Colorado Springs, Colorado for $10,000. Showing just 48,000 miles,
This classic is said to retain its original paint and original components. The seller says it still runs and drives, although it has recently developed an issue where the engine occasionally stalls after a few minutes of driving. Even needing some mechanical attention, this Packard is a rare luxury sedan with plenty of vintage character.
Car number 12, 1963 Chevrolet Biscayne. Next is this 1963 Chevrolet Biscayne, located in Greeley, Colorado, with an asking price of $6,000. Equipped with a manual transmission, the seller says it runs and drives well and is a fairly clean car that only needs a little attention to become an enjoyable daily driver or weekend cruiser. For someone looking for an affordable full-size Chevrolet, this Biscayne offers a solid starting point. Car number 13, 1958 Buick Special. Here's a 1958 Buick Special hardtop, listed in Callahan, Colorado for $5,000. This pillarless hardtop project comes with a clean title but does not have an engine. The seller notes it's a solid candidate for an LS swap, or they'll include a correct 364 V8 for an additional cost. With its distinctive late 50s styling, this Buick could become a very rewarding restoration project. Car number 14, '69 Plymouth Valiant 100. Our next classic is this 1969 Plymouth Valiant 100, located in Deer Trail, Colorado, for $5,000. The seller says it starts easily, runs, drives, shifts, and stops exactly as it should. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, fresh spark plugs, an oil change, and a new windshield wiper motor. With minimal rust and a clean title, this Valiant looks like an honest classic that's ready to enjoy right away. Car number 15, 1965 Ford Ranchero. We'll finish today's lineup with this 1965 Ford Ranchero, listed in Avondale, Arizona for $9,400. Powered by the factory 289 V8 and a 3-speed manual transmission, this Ranchero has received new upholstery, fresh carpet, new tires, brake components, a fuel pump, mufflers, and several other maintenance upgrades. The seller also says the body is straight, the frame is solid, and there's no rust. It may only need fresh paint, but it's already a smooth driving classic that's ready for its next owner. And that's today's collection of affordable classic cars for sale. Which one would you take home? Let us know in the comments. That's our list of 15 affordable classic cars for sale. So, which one would you park in your garage? The 1969 Mustang? The elegant 1955 Packard Patrician? The 1965 Ford Ranchero? Or maybe the iconic 1959 Chevrolet Impala? Leave your favorite in the comments below. We'd love to hear your pick. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next collection of affordable classic car finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.